Hey everyone, need to tidy up your Snapchat chats? I'm going to show you how to clear your chat history so you can keep your conversations private. Before we begin, it's important to remember that clearing your chat history only removes the message from your view. The other person will still have the messages in their chat. So let's get started. First, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Clear Conversations. Tap on it. You'll see a list of all your recent conversations. To clear a conversation, tap the X button next to the person's name. Snapchat will ask you to confirm that you want to clear the conversation. Tap Clear or Yes. You'll see the conversation disappear from the list. Repeat this process for each conversation you want to clear. Remember, this only removes chat from your view. The other person will still have the messages. If you want to delete a specific messages within a chat, you can tap and hold on the message and select delete. And that's how you clear chat history on Snapchat. It's a simple way to keep your conversations organized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.